going to remove the wheel after we've raised and supported the vehicle. Remove your wheel. So if you look at the inside of the wheel well fender liner, you're going to see all these little push clips. They come all the way around, and then of course there'll be several further in. You're going to remove all those. There we go. Let's get this right out of here. So if you take a look at your fender liner, you're going to see all these little push clips. You want to try to save those. Generally speaking, you can replace them. Last one's almost out. Awesome. If for some reason you happen to have broken any of these, you can go ahead and get yourself one of these kits. Should have everything that you're going to need. All right, so I'm going to start with the center here. Just going to go right through these holes and then through the hole inside the body there. Push those clips up through. Do the same over here. That lined up. Awesome. Now that that's started, I'm just going to come right along this, and then we'll start putting in all the rest. All right, so if you take a peek under here, you're going to see this little metal tab that my screwdriver's on. You press down on that. That'll unlatch this, and you can get it out of the way. Come right like this, and then make sure you reconnect it in. Give it a tug, and then continue on with putting in your push clips. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and get your wheel back on here. Tighten these up in a star pattern. Nice. So now it's going to be time to torque the wheel. It's important to remember that there's two different types of this vehicle. There's the police model and then there's the civilian model. Overall, the police vehicle will have a higher torque on their lug nuts, and the civilian model will be a little bit lower. So I'm going to go ahead and torque this to 140 foot-pounds because that's what my manufacturer specifies for this application. Torqued. Great. Go ahead and take your center cover, bunk it right on there. Beautiful.